Welcome back to another tutorial, everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your YouTube account on both Android and iPhone. Now, there isn't a dedicated sign out or log out button in the app, but don't worry, I'll walk you through another method. Let's not waste any time and get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone, then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. The next step is to tap on your name, and a list of all the YouTube accounts linked to your device will appear. If you have multiple YouTube accounts, you'll see them listed here. For example, I have 2 accounts and I want to log out of one of them. To do this, click on Manage Accounts on this device. After that, find the account you want to log out from and tap on Remove from this device under that account. Keep in mind that this won't just log you out of the YouTube app, it will also remove the account from all Google apps and services on your phone. So, if you're using that account for any other Google apps, you'll need to log back in again. Once you remove the account, you'll be signed out of YouTube on your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.